Hello and welcome, Escambia County Public Schools, to a Byte of Tech with the Student Data team. Today, let's talk about how to send a secure message in Focus. You may be wondering, when is it appropriate to send a secure message? Well, a good rule to follow is that anytime you're sending personally identifiable information about a student, your message should be secure. Some examples of this would be discussing a student's grade, discipline, or their attendance information. But remember, these are not the only examples of appropriate use of the secure email feature. Teachers and administrators will start from their compose screen. My first example is a teacher sending grade information to the primary contacts of a student. We're going to click Secure Email, and this will require the recipients to log into Focus to view that message. Now here's a Focus pro tip. As an added layer of protection, you can click that log record, and it will show when you try to contact a parent or guardian. If you're an administrator, you're going to notice there are more options. Secure Email is there, as well as Add Log Record. Now note, what you have permission to view on this screen does depend on your user profile in Focus. So remember, clicking that secure email box helps protect our students and their personal information. So when in doubt, click Secure. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to check out our recommended video that's here on the side and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our content. Fill out our content request form so that we create videos that are just for you, because that is a Byte of Tech.